Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the best ways to make millions fast, completely solo, and after the mentions DLC in GTA 5 online. No glitches, no cheats, and no friends needed. Just the legit methods that you can repeat right now. So the first method in the list is the Cayo Perico Heist solo. If you use a Kosatka, you can pick a drainage tunnel route and then you can stay stealthy and grab the main target and escape through the ocean. It is going to be remained one of the highest solo payouts and is very consistent. The second method is the agency pay phone hits. You can call Franklin and complete the bonus assassination objectives. These give massive payouts for only a few minutes of work and are perfect for the short play sessions. The third method is security contracts inside the agency. Vehicle recovery, gang termination, and the rescue contracts are the fastest ones. You can run them back to back while waiting on another cooldowns to stack the cash. The fourth method is nightclub passive income. You can assign the technicians to the popular goods and let the stock build up. You can sell when full and you earn money in the background while doing the missions, which is perfect for solo grinders. The fifth method is VIP work, such as the sightseer and headhunter. Register as CEO or VIP and you can run these in the free mode. They pay fast, require no setup, and are great for beginners. The sixth method is the time trials and the HSW time trials. You can learn the route, you can use a fast bike or HSW car, and then you can finish within the target time for quick cash boosts every week. The seventh method is the new mansions DLS missions and the jobs. So these often come with the bonus rewards weeks and are designed to be solo friendly while paying you the solid money. The bonus tip that I would like to give you here is that you can sell the business stock in the low population lobbies. This reduces the risk and keep the sales easy and also helps you to earn extra solo without any pressure. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.